أدوات السباكة plumbing tools 管道工具 Today we are in the international market Futyan to ask about prices of some of plumbing tools.
This is stainless steel.
Steel. Okay, do you have zinc, copper?
你这个 model 就是 stainless steel.
65 65 60 توشاتشي
黑色的70
70 金色的
75
70
75
75
对
اوكي ان 微信扫啊扫
你扫微信
有微信这个我的 Can you send me a catalog?
catalog
Do you have? You specialize, as I told me, in nails. Nails? What else?
where
Show me. Show me. Which one? What are they?
black wire helmet wire
Uh-huh.
and this barbed wire
Uh-huh.
and the mesh
Uh-huh. So specialized in this one. 15.
Yes, 50.
Nigga answer?
This one 45.
45. Yeah, is it clear? Clear, 45. And nigga?
This one
Yes.
这个是62.
62 为什么太贵了 It's expensive. Yes, tell
因
me.
为它这个设计这个
Zinc,
款
zinc,
式
zinc, zinc.
对 zinc
为什么这个太贵了
因为这个款式是不一样的。
Standard, different.
Yes.
Nigga?
这个是45 45.
45.
对，这是不锈钢的。
不锈钢的 Tana?
这个是72.
72. Okay.
"你好，这个要提前预定。
这个 Brass
Yes
多少钱
这些都是 brass 这个是173
那个
这个是126都是 brass 这个是63 63
Yeah, 63 Steel? Or
This price is 130
130 130 Okay, nice Naga?
Another color
Yes, good.
of brass
Uh-huh.
It's 125
Do you have golden color?
What color have but some don't have
Okay, شنو 100
Golden color something like this
Yes, like this color
Which
but this is not golden I don't like this one Do you have?
color price need to check
Uh-huh
some
Yes, but I think you can Oh, please, can you let me What's the materials for this?
brass
Press All of them press
No
Uh-huh
This may be a brass Oh yes, this all brass
Press The price check it 多少钱
这个108
Yeah, 108 Same price?
No, different
Yes, tell me
This price is 121
Nigga?
This 220
Um,
This 171
Uh-huh
This 82.5
Okay What about this Okay
This one This zinc
Zinc, all of them zinc
Zinc This is stainless steel.
Uh-huh.
Oh, this one zinc.
So that
This brass.
price only nigga.
Brass, yes.
But the price for this zinc
The price is 42.
40.
This is 43.5.
Mhm.
This 71. This one 38.5.
Okay. The up seam.
Up to
Oh, nothing out.
zinc. Zinc.
Uh-huh.
Zinc. This brass.
Uh-huh.
Zinc. This price is 62.
Mhm.
This is 62 zinc. This is 54.
Zinc.
Yes,
Zinc.
This is zinc. This brass.
Uh-huh.
This is 131.
Uh-huh. Nice. Price mio. Price. You know? Okay, tell us the things that belong to your factory. Yeah, this is why the factory. Why this and this and this. Yes. Is it clear? Your factory only. Can you?
Yes.
What's Neo Shishima? Say need a factory.
我们 factory 有
Point, yes. Point, yes.
这些
Mm-hmm.
这些这些
Uh-huh.
这些
Uh-huh.
这
Can you tell me the price? Jaga?
价格。
Uh-huh.
比如说这个 golden 的
Uh-huh.
golden 的这个是165。
165. Mm-hmm. Naga? Yes. What else?
像这个是185的，
185. Uh-huh.
还有这个新款的，这个也165。
Yeah, if you talk about the materials, is it okay? But this is gold and this is brass, this is zinc, stay.
This copper.
Copper?
This all copper.
Yes, good. Nice.
Different color.
Nice. What else do you have in your factory?
Hmm?
Is this only?
No, shower also.
All this yours?
Yes.
All of them?
Yes.
Wow. Really?
Shower and panel.
So good. Can you send for me the list for price?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. So in this shop, there is no goods for the other factories. They are belong to your factory.
What means?
I mean, all these things belong to your factory.
Yes.
Because some shops they sell this is push it tamam. Okay, so this is for the others, they sell them, but my customer they want to buy from factory itself. Did you understand? So tell me, this is not ours, this is for the others, this is wada. 这个东西是我的，我可以做这个 okay? This is all of yours.
Yes.
Good, nice.
Nice. Golden and gray high price.
多少钱？
那我要查一下的，现在。
Golden, okay.
Yes.
Golden,
Yes.
black,
Yes.
Okay.
Gray. 45.
45 zinc.
Yes.
Okay, good.
这多少？我们来考证。
有很多 okay, but 给我这个多少钱？给我最好好这个
价格。要哪一款啊？哪个款式？这个款吗？
هكذا كانت زيارة شركة أربيا فيليكس للاستيراد والتصدير إلى السوق الدولي المعروف بالفتيان للسؤال عن أسعار بعض أدوات السباكة.